Hello guys, today I will show you how to purchase USDT on CoinDCX. So let's get started. So first what you need to do is open your CoinDCX application and locate the invest section visible at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this option to access various investment categories. Scroll downward until you find the large cap section. Open this category and continue scrolling until you see USDT or Tether listed among the options. Select USDT to view its price chart and trading interface. When ready to purchase, tap the buy button which appears on your screen. The app will display the current buying price for USDT. Enter the amount in Indian rupees you wish to spend, and the application will automatically calculate the equivalent USDT value you'll receive. After verifying the details, click Next to proceed to the final step. Complete your purchase by swiping the confirmation bar to buy your USDT, and that's how you purchase USDT on CoinDCX Holdings successfully.